Hey guys, it's Rob, H&RE 42. I'm doing a natural gas to LP conversion on this Fridgedaire stove, and a lot of people have to do this. I mean, when you buy one of these appliances, it's set up to naturally run on natural gas. So there's a few small steps. I'm just going to show you real quick. Underneath here, that blue cover right there, it's a dust cover. You gotta use a 5/8 socket and undo the cap. You literally flip the orifice over, move the dust cover to the other side, and screw it back in. Right here, that nut, run it clockwise 2.5 turns all the way down. If you mess up your 2.5 turns, run it all the way down, then back it off a 1/2 turn. Open the oven, and right there, same deal as that bottom one. Back it clockwise 2.5 turns, or all the way down, then back it off a 1/2 turn. From there, the last thing you're going to do is change your orifices. Down inside here, that little brass part is called an orifice. So you've got these guys that sit on top of here. So you got to remove these two screws. They're usually 4.5 millimeter, or standard is 3/16. Either one will work in a pinch. Then you got to take your orifice out, and that's the point why I decided to make the video. If anyone's ever done this, you have to match up your orifices. These are my new orifices in my LP conversion kit. They're all color coded, but when you put the orifice in the socket, it can potentially fall into the stove. So I take a piece of paper towel. Here's all the ones that I've already done. You just rip a little piece and take a pencil or screwdriver or something like that. I use a pencil because I mark which orifices are going in, and just jam your little rip of paper towel. It's be hard to do with one hand. Jam it down inside your socket. Hold up. So it looks like this. Now, when I put that socket on that orifice and it comes up out of there, the orifice will be stuck in the socket, and I just spin it an extra amount of time so I don't have to pull on it. It'll be stuck in the socket because of your paper towel. Trust me, they will. If you don't use this paper towel trick or tape or something like that, they will fall out of your socket down into your stove, and that's a bitch. So just thought that was a really cool little trick. It's been working for me for the last couple years, and so I just wanted to share that with you. Now as I do the next one, I'll rip me another little piece, I'll put it down in there, I'll find the orifice I need, put it in, so on and so forth. Hope that helped someone at some point in time. See you around, fellas and sisters. Happy New Year!